Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas holiday special. Tis the season to do this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, what I have planned for today is I'm going to be turning an ornament, into this little robot. So yeah, let's get into it. First, here I chose this kind of pointy ornament because I thought it looked really cool. And this is going to kind of be like the robot's head. Here I found some old legs from an old robot toy I had, and these are going to work perfect. And the feet even kind of look like little skis. But we need something to attach the ornament to the legs, because that would kind of look weird. So here I found this little motor thing that will work perfect for the body. After gluing that together, I cut off this thing so I had a surface to glue it on. And I'm going to be gluing the ornament to the motor. Once I had that glued, here I made some tiny little arms out of just some wire and beads. And I'm going to kind of put them in the front of his body because I thought that kind of looked cute and was kind of what I wanted for the idea I had. So, as you can see here, I'm just kind of gluing him right here, and my idea was he could be holding a little gift maybe, just to give him some more of that holiday spirit. Here he is all glued up. I added a little bit more of details to the back to just kind of add a little more. And then here the arms, and I'm going to put a little gift in between right there. Here I glued on some beads in the end there, and then also added some more detail in the back. Now here I found this little dice, and this is the perfect kind of square for the gift I wanted. And then here I have some milliput that I'm just putting on right here. And this is going to make the gift. There we go. There I just wedged it kind of in there, and then I'm going to use the leftover milliput to craft some fingers for this guy. After that, here I'm just finishing up the hands, smoothing them out and adding some details. And yeah, they look pretty cool. And now after that, I still had some leftover milliput, so I'm going to be crafting a scarf and just kind of filling in some cracks with the eye and then a few details on the back as well. And after that, here he is pretty much all built and ready to paint. The painting will really bring the kind of festivity to him and make him look a lot cooler. So without further ado, let's get into that. Here he is all primed up and looking good. We're gonna give this guy a really nice holiday paint job. So first here I'm taking some red, and this is what I'm gonna use for the whole ornament head. I thought red was kind of a nice color and really festive. After that, here I'm taking some silver, and this is gonna be for all the kind of metal details, and yeah. I'm going to be doing the legs, the eye, and then the body as well. After that, here I'm taking some black, and this is going to be for the body and a few other details. This is a real simple paint job, but looks really cool. After I had that done, here I'm taking some green, and this is going to be for the scarf and a few other details as well. Trying to keep that kind of holiday color scheme, and yeah. After all that, I painted some wires and then the eye as well. And I also gave the gift kind of just a little base coat. And yeah, now he's just all finished and ready for some washes and the finishing touches. So first here I'm taking some Tamiya black paint liner. I'm just going to use this for all of the metal and steel parts. And this just makes it look a lot more realistic and brings out those cracks and crevices. And I don't want to do too heavy of it either and make him look old. And after all that, it's pretty much finished, but I want to add a few white stripes to the head, just give it a little more of that kind of holiday vibe. And here he is, all the painting done, and all I really have to do left is add a little bow on the gift, and that's it. So let's get into it. Here it is, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a super fun project. I really enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more content like this, please go check out my channel. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment. I love hearing from you guys and seeing what your guys' ideas are. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video, and hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas time. Thanks a lot, and see you all next time. Peace out.